everybody, Sanskriti Kolkata back again with another gorgeous episode on Gadwal sarees. I'm Lalia and today in our 910th episode, I'll be showing beautiful Gadwal sarees. So I'll start with a cotton Gadwal, budget friendly. We have colors in this, but today I'll be showing just a sample of this blue color. Without blouse piece, okay? So this is without blouse piece. The price of this is 4600. Beautiful checkered cotton sari, and throughout it's in midnight blue and it has a check weave in the body. Pure cotton. Then I'll move on to Siko Gadwal sarees. So what is Siko Gadwal? Siko Gadwal are cotton by silk. The body is pure cotton and not the regular cotton. The previous one was a regular pure cotton. These are premium quality fine cotton, Telangana. And then here we have a silk border in the border and the blouse piece. So that is why Siko, silk and cotton. The price of this has many range. Now, few are power loom in Siko, pure Siko, but power loom. And then there are pure Siko in handloom. Then there are heavy blouse, lighter woven blouse. So the price depends accordingly. So what I'm showing now are all pure Siko Gadwal in different ranges. This is with the zari buta, color mustard and brown. Now this is a beautiful navy blue color with maroon border and heavy buta. Rich pallu, contrast dual tone blouse piece. Number 4, another cotton Gadwal which I showed in the first one. This is another color combination, red and coffee. 4600, pure cotton without blouse piece. Very pretty pure cotton. Number 4. Number 5, Siko Gadwal. Today I'll show you, today I'll be showing you some very different kind of Gadwal, not the regular ones. You know why? Sanskriti Kolkata always comes up with new concepts, patterns and designs. So usually it's always a contrast. Now what I'll be showing you is a very beautiful tone on tone temple bordered Siko Gadwal with not too much of contrast but a tone on tone blouse piece as well. Very classy. This is the sari, maroon and red color combination. See the color combination. Similarly, I'll show you more concept on tone unique Gadwals. Even I'm wearing a tone on tone. See, magenta and Rani. It's of the same house. The color tone is of the same house, but it is looking so beautiful. Handloom sarees with pure silk border and blouse piece. These are the sarees. Gap border. Those who like monotone sarees with touch of rich zari, these are very beautiful ones. Super soft, comfortable, hand woven and in monotone. Siko Gadwal with blouse piece. With these you can pair with our designer blouses. Ganga Jamuna border, hand woven Siko Gadwal, broad border, buta, rich palla, and a beautiful silk blouse piece. See this stunning maroon color with no zari border but silver and zari Sona Rupa buta, and the blouse. This is so beautiful, so beautiful. This is a silk gadwal. Silk gadwal in a unique concept of dark garnet color, maroon color, you can say maroon color with red blouse. So this color combination is so beautiful. And look at the blouse piece and the pallu. This is the pallu part. The blouse will have the gold and zari buta, silver and gold buta. The border is no zari. See, it has temple border but no zari. It's an excellent sari. Silk Gadwal. In short, you can check out in our description, the details is mentioned. So we always write an abbreviation of the material, the color. Sometimes due to light and camera, the color may be showing something little bit different, but usually we don't filter. Silk Gadwal sarees. This has a nice sleek border as well. Check silk Gadwal sari, fully hand woven. Beautiful shade again. Pujo is very close by, only 2 months, 2.5 months left, I think, and so we have these kind of red border traditional saris in silk with this red blouse piece. Those who want to visit our store, please note down the address. We'll be happy to welcome you in Sanskriti, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Before the pujas, 2.5 months, 3 months, we'll be keeping Sundays open as well, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. And video call also available. If you want to select by video call, I'll give you the number. So here we have two gorgeous hanging sari here. Siko, this is a, let me check, it's beautiful. The dual tone silk border, pallu and blouse piece. This is a stunning, rich, very beautiful Siko Gadwal in gold and silver zari. Very, very striking border pallu blouse piece. And then we have a silk Gadwal. Ganga Jamuna border, absolutely stunning. Even in the border there is two color. Even in the upper border there is two color, orange and Rani. The body has a checkered weave with the buta and Meena, Sona Rupa, Zari, pallu and blouse piece. An amazing sari, truly beautiful, the total color combination concept and the pattern. Hand woven Gadwal saris. Moving on to few monotones again. Rudraksh Buta, gold zari, monotone purple rich palla, silk Gadwal. Wear them with your traditional jewelry, very classy looking. You will rarely find monotone Gadwals. See the green. Stunning viridian green sari in pure silk. Here there is a temple, tone on tone temple weaving and rich gold border. This is the pallu. Beautiful green. See how well it is going with this blouse. And here is the blouse piece. The blouse piece has jamewar weave in this. See, a self jamewar weave in the blouse piece. So it gives a very rich look. These kind of ready-made blouse that I am wearing, designer blouses available in multiple colors and can be customized. All these available in Sanskriti. We'll take around 30 to 35 days to make it in your size. This is a beautiful, beautiful Gadwal sari. Silk Gadwal. Very beautiful. Stunning dark wine color. Very pretty. Soft, beautiful sari. Silk Gadwal with Meena Maharani border. Very sober combination. Blouse piece. Silver Zari Gadwal, again another rare piece in monotone. Pure silk Gadwal in silver zari. Wear them with heavy silver jewelry with this blouse piece. Color Poppin Blue. Very beautiful. Let me know how you are liking our products, and once you receive, please let us know your feedback. A lovely check silk Gadwal. Very pretty, and that also zari check. Stunning zari check in red with gold border butta. Look at the sari, and these saris have self temple weaving, ikkat temple weaving. Tailoring unit is there in both the branches. Now, if you want your blouses or suits to be stitched, we'll do it. And also the menswear collection, blouses, ready-made blouses, jewelries, all available in the Cornfield Road branch. Free shipping in India. Outside India, we ship regularly, depends on the weight and destination. Now look at this brocade Gadwal in solid color, single color, and all over gold zari weave. Soft, so much of zari weaving, but yet soft and lightweight. Handloom. Another lovely brocade Gadwal in black. Look at the look of the sari. Then we have the sea green with a contrast border. So today I have displayed a variety of unique Gadwal, the traditional ones as well as some very different ones. This is a sea green color with a dark navy border and lovely selvage. And this is the blouse piece. Check out our WhatsApp status, Instagram stories, Facebook stories, posts, reels for regular updates, short videos. All the varieties you'll be able to see. The one that I'm wearing a check like the red I showed. This is the black one of the same red check Gadwal that I showed. Very beautiful with copper zari and the blouse piece. Pure silk Gadwal and the price is 18,500. 18,500 beautiful silk Gadwal in solid color. And the blouse that I'm wearing, these are premium quality pure silk handwork ready-made blouses available in sizes 38, 40, 42, can be customized up to size 50. Colors can also be customized. This is the back side of the blouse with full net handwork with this side bird in the sleeves, and we have colors in this, ready colors as of now. The one that green I'm wearing, that is available. This is the second color, the black. The prices mentioned here are 6800 pure silk handwork. 6800. It has a beautiful fit with margin inside and can be customized in any size and color. Third color is this red. So 3 colors are available now. All handwork in pure silk. 35 to 40 days time for customized blouses. More colors and designs available. And now I'll move on to tissue saris. Pure silk tissue katan in some very stunning shade. Silver zari. Blouse piece. Handloom saris. The borders are all pure katan and the body is in fine tissue by katan silk. See the fall, so you can understand the softness and the purity of the product. Then we have this black border, sleek border, black, beautiful colors, very different rich colors. Not the typical gold and those coppers. These are very bronze and champagne, lovely color, metallic colors in tissues that I'm showing you today. Traditional gold is also available, but these are some different colors that I'm showing today. Then comes the multi-border, purple, green, with the green blouse piece. This is an absolutely stunning gold, and along with gold we have light gold, dark gold, coral and a magenta tissue with this. It is an absolutely stunning piece. Neighbor's envy, owner's pride. A lovely sari, and here is the wow royal blouse piece. Full zari woven exclusive blouse piece with this very stunning unique tissue Banarasi handloom sari. It's beautiful. Look at the colors. Beautiful. Ombre color. Lovely one. Coral body and then flame, or you can say ombre color border. It's lovely, it's lovely, it's lovely. Mix and match with these kind of traditional jewelries. 3500 is the set that I'm wearing, and these jewelries go so well with these traditional saris. Look at the earring. 3500 is the jewelry set. Sari price mentioned, and with this we have this blouse piece. Very beautiful. You will love today's collection, I'm sure, because very different and unique saris now we are showing. Now this one is a crush tissue, pure handloom, but it's in crush. It's very stunning piece. A traditional sari with a modern look. Very beautiful, these metallic crush tissues. Don't iron them, just let it be. It's full width. Already, it's lovely color, and this dark burgundy border with a tone on tone weaving, nakshi weaving with this crush tissue is just absolutely stunning piece. And since they are handloom and pure, they are so soft. Here is the blouse piece. Sanskriti comes up with regular new collection. You can check out our reviews in the WhatsApp status, and once you wear a product, send your picture so that we can put it up in the album. Do subscribe to our channel, because if you're happy with our service, our products, the quality, we can make one request. Do subscribe to our channel, share the video, and you'll be able to see more varieties if you are subscribed. If you have subscribed, all notifications, so that whenever there is a video, you'll get a notification from the channel. See the collection today. Silk border and a tissue body with blouse piece. Now something very interesting. This is a tissue sari, tissue georgette, where the zari is woven reverse weave. What we usually see, or what I've been showing now, is the motifs with tissue weaving. Here, the motifs are left, the outside motif. The rest of the sari is fully tissue woven in oxidized silver. Beautiful piece, and see the body, georgette, कटिंग करके ये मोटिव पूरा it's showing. It's beautiful, very artistic, very different master weaving sari in a silver zari, and here is the blouse piece. Just stunning, beautiful. Look at the look of this silver zari. Reverse woven tissue weave. And soft, lightweight. Last but not the least, a super stunning soft hand woven tissue sari. Tissue katan silk with this all over weaving. Here is the pallu and here is the blouse piece. This is a beautiful piece. It just feels like a dream. Can you see the texture here? It has beautiful texture in the blouse. Single color but in metallic look, but beautiful. Color is a dark wine color woven with tissue. So it is giving a very nice sheen to the sari. You will love this. Neighbor's envy, owner's pride. Thank you so much.